today I have two new things to show you all. So we have the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Buds 2, both in lavender, because those are my colors. So let's get to unbox them. Whew. I'm a bit excited for this. If it opens for me. It's a little humid out here. Whew. Let's take this out. Right now, inside stuff, all that. I don't need that right now. So that could be put to the side. Whew. I got the lavender one, and it is gorgeous. It's about the same size as my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get to this. Come on. And there is, I think there's a screen, yeah, there is like a little screen protector on it, but it's not a glass one, it's just a plastic. I'm just gonna leave that on there. So, whew, look at this. I love it. So let's turn it on and see how much juice. Ooh, this hinge is insane. Who knows? I'm gonna do 90, 125. I don't know the degrees. I don't care. Anyways, let's get to turning this on. If it's what the it even shows in the back. So I'm gonna take my time setting that up, but I just wanted to unbox it because I need to play around with it. And yes, my SIM card is going into this tonight or whenever I have time. But starting Android, blah, 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 blah. So we'll just get to that when I get to that. But, ooh, this color, I love the color. Because purple is my color. So do that later. And let's get to these buds. Yes, these are in purple too. Purple's my color, or lavender, whatever. You know what, my last buds I had, they were in the purple, and these are just in a white case for some reason. I don't like the white case because they get all scruffed up and all that. So these look like, they're lavender, but they look like Easter eggs in a way. Because I know my last ones were like more of a darker purple, because I like that color, but these look like more like Easter eggs. So I'm gonna have to like test these out later on because I'm an earbud girl anyways, as you all know. So that is it, because I'm so excited for this phone. Whew. Okay, hope you all have a good day. I will give another little review on the phone, and whenever I get it all set up, I'll probably throw out another video whenever that gets there. So probably won't be for a few days. Okay, bye.